Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Udoki Wagon. Welcome to the self-care family. If you're new here, hi, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and also hit the bell button to get notified every single time I make a new upload. On today's video, I'll be talking about this particular toner that I'm going to put here, which is the Medicube HR Milky toner. Now, this particular product, I have been using it consistently for straight 3 months, and I'm going to give you like the full-on review. Now, mind you that we are going to be talking about the ingredients used in formulating this product, who can use this product, how many times you can use, how frequent you can use this particular product, which skin type is this suitable for. Also, we'll talk about the price range of this particular product, how to use it, and then also where you can find it. Now, first things first, let's talk about the ingredient formulation of this particular product. Now, this product, off the bottle, it is already written that it is a glutathione toner. Like, that is like the key major ingredient used in formulating this, and it also contains 6 different types of peptide. And now the question that will be lingering in your mind is, what is glutathione? We'll come down to that. Also, this particular product also contains niacinamide. It also contains like turmeric root extracts. We will dive right into like the significance of most of these ingredients in this particular product. Now, let's talk about this containing niacinamide. Niacinamide is supposed to help in regulating oil, regulating redness, and also to serve as an anti-acne ingredient. Like, if you have acne on your face, it's going to help to tackle you constantly having acne. Then we have the glutathione, which is the major ingredient. I don't know if you're conversant with certain skincare procedures, you will know that a lot of people use glutathione to brighten their skin. It can go through IV treatments where they put it into their bloodstream, if you get what I mean. But I don't want to talk about that because I'm not an expert in that. However, glutathione in this particular product is used in order to like brighten your skin and just give your skin like an overall perfect glow, beauty, and hydration, and also a radiant feel. If whenever you apply this product, you just notice that's immediate, like an immediate glow on your face, and that is what this glutathione does in this particular product. And last but not the least, it also contains different types of peptide. And if you know what peptide does, it just helps in giving like a proper cell turnover. Like, if you want to like combat not having youthful skin, like the more you get older, you're like, oh my god, I need to retain my youthful skin, that this peptide in this particular product will help in just giving you like a proper cell turnover, reducing your tendencies of having or seeing signs of aging. Now, does this actually correlate, like all these ingredients that I have mentioned that this particular product has, does it actually do exactly what it says it does? In my best opinion, I would say yes. The only ick I have about this product is, do not allow this product to enter your eye, because this product can stink. It can sting the eye, so like you'll be wondering like, why is my eye hurting me? I don't know what they added inside this that makes it like, once it enters your eye, it feels like pepper. It feels like pepper is in your eye. So that is just one of my ilks about this. Now, again, like I mentioned, that this also has turmeric root extract, and if you know the skincare benefits of turmeric, it's supposed to help in brightening your skin, in just giving you a more like if, let me say, you're dark now, it will just give you like a lighter feeling like to your skin, like you might be like a shade lighter, meaning it brightens your skin, it properly brightens your skin. And now, coming down to, okay, all these ingredients are put into this particular product, does it do exactly what it says it does? In my best opinion, it does. This product hydrates the skin, it nourishes the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it also gives you a beautiful radiant appearance to your skin. And not only that, it helps in tackling signs of aging. I'm not saying that it's going to erase your wrinkles, no, but you have a more firmer feel to your skin. Like your skin elasticity is going to improve. That is my best explanation. Your skin elasticity is going to improve, redness and all of that is going to like be eliminated. So that is my take on this particular product. Now let's come down to how can you use this particular product, this Medicube toner. How can you use it? Now you can use it during the day and you can also use it at night. It is a daily toner. You don't necessarily need to say, oh, I shouldn't be using it today, I should use it tomorrow, oh, I shouldn't be doing this, I should. No, you can actually use it every single day. It is meant for people with dry skin, it is meant for people with oily skin, it is meant for people with sensitive skin, like whoever. As so far you are a human being, it is meant for you. Now with that out of the way, application morning and night. Now how do you apply this on your skin? All you need to do is, after cleansing your face, maybe for me I do double toning and I use this as my second toner, but if you don't do double toning, you can always after cleansing your face, you then go in with the Milky toner and apply, allow it to air dry, and then you can start applying your serums and your moisturizer. But for people who double tone, after cleansing your face, apply your hydrating toner and go in with this Medicube Milky toner to just lock in the entire moisture and nourish your skin. Now where can you buy this and how much does it cost? I feel like it costs between 15,000 naira to 17,000 naira depending on the store you're getting it from. Where can you buy it? You can buy this product from Beauty Hut, you can buy this product from Rema Beauty, you can buy this product from Hemosmart. I'm not sure if I can pronounce the name properly. I'll also put in the description box some other stores that you can buy this product from here in Nigeria. I think for the most part I have covered most of the things that should be asked in the video with regards to this particular product. The quantity, it is 140 ml, which means it's going to last for so long. I've been using this for the past 3 months straight and it is just remaining just a little bit here. Would I recommend this product? Definitely yes. The only ick I have about this product is the fact that once it enters your eye, it stinks like mad. But outside of that, this is an amazing product. With that out of the way, I hope you find this video very helpful and very insightful, and it's going to encourage you to either buy it or not buy it. But either ways, thank you for watching to the end of this video. Do well to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Also hit the bell button to get notified every single time I make a new upload. I am Udoki Wago and I will see you guys on my next one. Mwah! Bye.